So, after a long day of tree work, sometimes from all the loud chainsaw and stump grinder and bobcat riding by, you just need a little quiet time. Time to get away from it. So I come to this place right here to enjoy just the view and the serene, calm nature. Check out that view, man. You can see right down into the water. So clear and peaceful today. You look over there, those are huge boulders of quartz rocks. They named this road after that. I'm guessing there used to be a rock quarry through here because the name of the road is White Rock Road, and there are the white rocks across the way. Getting old sucks. Been years since I skipped a rock. If I can get more than two, I'll be happy. Oh yeah, I got like four. Beautiful clouds. Makes you think about The Simpsons. You gotta love the autumn leaves and the colors. It makes it all worth it, man. That's a big old dog print. I mean, look at that. Oh, there's a deer print. Some kind of bug action going on here. What is that? Oh, there it is. We'll still use it. It's actually a little island right there. Took a boat out there one time. Can hardly walk on it because it's just nothing but brush, and the ground is completely submerged. I'm sure at some points in the year it gets dry enough to walk on. Also on that island before, and you can camp there. I don't know if it's legal, but we looked at it as if it would be a good campsite. Look at that. People just leave trash any kind of way. Gotta protect Mother Earth. Not my trash. Putting it in the back of my truck. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys share in on what I do to unwind sometimes. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. Hit the little notification bell. Have a good one.